Do you know you need to build your email list, but you do not know where to get started? Do you want to create a freebie, but you're afraid no one would want it? Do you wish you understood how people go from giving away a freebie to selling a paid product? Lucky you, you're in luck. I get it, it often feels like there are 99 problems, but email shouldn't be one. Did you catch my reference? Thoughtful face, but it is. It feels like you're creating an email list for the simple sake of just creating one. All the other creators do it, so why not you? In today's article, we are going to be talking about 3 things: why you need an email list, what ingredients do you need in a freebie, and how to go from a freebie to paid product strategy. Sounds interesting? Let's get to it. Why you need an email list? Email is king over any social media platform. Okay, besides all your other creator friends doing it, you should know that email is an owned audience. For example, followers on social media are not an owned audience, the platforms own them, not you. They can directly contact them via phone, email, etc., but you cannot. You may not think that it's important to contact your followers beyond the platform you're using, until it's too late. There are a bunch of what-ifs that can happen. Your social media account gets banned. The algorithm changes on you. Etc., etc. Think of having an email list as a backup way to communicate with your audience. You don't need a platform's permission to communicate with them, you go directly to them. Beyond having a backup communication method, you can create more intimate relationships with them over email, send them exclusive offers, newsletters, freebies, etc. My recommended platform to host and conduct your email marketing is MailerLite. I'm on their forever free plan. Key ingredients for a freebie. Creating a freebie needs to do 3 things: to solve a problem, educate, and take action. My recommendation is to give away solution to the juiciest pain point your ideal client has. In order for you to know the pain points of your ideal client, you need to take the time to conduct market research. https://medium.com/new-writers-welcome/guide how to conduct market research for your dream client. See 85-83b5614d6. Once you've identified a critical pain point, reverse engineer the solution that you would give them. Your freebie doesn't need to give them the whole pie, just a small piece that suffices enough to help give them an answer to their problem. For example, I know a lot of Medium writers are tired of manually copying/pasting their text on Google Docs to Medium, so I created this article. https://medium.com/technical excellence/how to automate your Google Docs to Medium 2569b4584e29. And my freebie was giving them a plug-and-play template. Let's see if the above example nailed my 3 criteria. Problem: Medium writers are tired of manually copying and pasting from Google Docs to Medium. Educate: I created an article on the topic. Action: give them a plug-and-play template to implement the Google Docs to Medium automation. More than likely, your freebie is going to drive the action-based result. If you need a few digital freebie ideas to mull over, here are a few. Digital checklist, mini course, templates, ebook, printables. Don't overcomplicate your freebie, but also don't underdeliver. Your freebie is a gateway to working with you. If you overdeliver on the value you provide in your freebie, then it's natural that you'll overdeliver on your paid products. In order to drive email signups, you need to talk about your freebie everywhere. Don't put all this work into building one just to underperform on the promotion. Include your freebie in all your articles, your bio, etc. Shameless plug: join my online entrepreneurs club to get exclusive training and resources that will help you alongside your entrepreneurship journey. Bonus: going from a freebie to paid product. You know how I mentioned that email is king? Well, this is where email marketing gets interesting. From the moment people sign up to receive your freebie, you can automatically send them emails to promote your paid product. Your paid product could be a coaching session, paid course, etc. But if you have nothing to sell yet, then I recommend you promote an affiliate product. In a nutshell, affiliate marketing means you promote another person's product and get a small commission if you make a sale. Here are a few articles that will help you. https://lifewithtina.medium.com/list/affiliate marketing BC2F0FF76F0. If you want a plug and play email template to promote your affiliate products, check out this affiliate toolkit. In summary, I've shared with you why it's important to have an email list, what things need to be included in a freebie, and how you can go from promoting a freebie to a paid product. I also mentioned that if you want plug and play email templates to promote your affiliate product, check out our affiliate toolkit.